Good morning, good morning, good morning. I am happy to come to you today on Friday, the last day of the week, and it is also the last day of my time with the children at school. It's the last day of school. Hey, I'm going to stop. Thank you, subscribers, for hanging in there with me. Thank you, my new subscribers, for joining the Gene G family. If you haven't subscribed yet, come on, join the Gene G family. I wanted to come before you today to document how I style my hair for the last day of school. It's not going to be anything really different, but I wanted to look back and see how I wore my hair on the last day of school 2021. Now I have one more day to go back, and that will be on Tuesday, the day after Memorial Day, for the end of the year celebration. I will report to school at 8:30, and at 11 o'clock we will have the end of the year celebration. I will also document that day, and I want you to watch that video for the end of the year. I am excited because of the type of year that this has been. I think I'm more excited than ever about the end of the school year. A lot of times I've looked at Facebook and I've seen these pictures or illustrations of how a teacher would act at the end of the school year, dancing and having such a wonderful time just because the school year has ended and it is now time for vacation. Yes, it is a happy time. And I commend all the teachers for hanging in there this year and doing whatever you have to do for your students in order for them to be successful. Because that's what we do. Sometimes we neglect ourselves for our students. Teachers go and they work and they don't feel well sometimes, and we push ourselves, and we push ourselves really hard just for those students. And some students need us more than others. So I'm going to go ahead and get this hair styled, which won't take very long. Thank you for watching this video as I style my hair. I want you to know that I really appreciate you and all that you've done for me. Thank you again for joining the Gene G family. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers. But I especially love God. And today, I give him all the glory. And I thank him for all that he's done for me. I thank him for waking me up every day and bringing me to a new chapter in my life that I will share with you probably next week. So keep watching and have a God-blessed day.